my channel. Today I will show you how to make your own custom easy D.VA Overwatch jacket. The paints I'm going to be using are multi-surface acrylic paints, and also 3D puffy paints are optional, along with other tools and freezer paper. The jacket that I have has a patch on it that I'm going to be removing with the X-Acto knife. Lifting up the patch with the X-Acto knife, finding the thread and pulling it upwards stitch by stitch until the thread becomes loose. Once you got your whole patch off, clean off the excess string. On the same exact spot, I'm going to be placing the Overwatch logo. So I have my stencil ready to go. I have the Nerf this. I have my stencil ready to be ironed. I'm going to be using the glossy part facing down to iron onto the jacket. And the front part we're going to be cutting out with the X-Acto knife. We're going to place the jacket flat down using a binder or a book to put under as you iron. Now we're going to put the freezer paper on top of the jacket. Now it's time to iron. Be right back. Okay, now that I got my stencil ironed, it should be sticked on good to the jacket. Now we're going to start carefully cutting out the stencil with the X-Acto knife. You can also have your stencil pre-cut, but I like to just put it on the jacket and ironing it and then cutting it out at the end. It's much easier for me. almost finished.
The way. Do you know the way? You gotta know the way.
Okay, now we got the nerf this done. Now it's time to trace. I got 3 logos I'm going to do. I got the D.VA, I got the Mecha, and the Overwatch logo sign. And we're just gonna basically just trace the stencil onto the freezer paper. But the glossy part always side down. So I got D.VA, Overwatch sign, and Mecha ready to be ironed on. Glossy side and front part. Now it's time to iron. Be right back. Carefully cut out the Overwatch logo with the X-Acto knife. Okay, we got Mecha ready. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna start painting. I got white, black, pink, and light pink. I'm gonna paint the Mecha black. Just lightly dabbing it, making sure there's no big globs on the letters. Now dry it up. Now it's time to dry it up. It only takes a second for it to dry a little completely. For the Overwatch logo, I had to do a second layer. And the only time I use 3D paint is on this pink Overwatch logo sign. I thought it would be cute just to put pink on the top instead of orange. Now I'm using this puffy 3D paint. It goes on everything, so it's pretty good. I like it. Now it's time to do the D.VA on the sleeve. I'm going to be using the light pink princess pink. It's such a D.VA color. So now it's time to finish the back parts. I'm going to be painting D.Va's headsets and hair just white, and then I'm going to be painting her whiskers light pink. The Nerf this, also pink. Now that you have a nicely coat on it, we're gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes and see how it looks when it's dry. Now it's time to peel. The fun part. We're just gonna gently take off the sticker with the X-Acto knife or your nails. But now it's time to peel the back part. Nerf this. Now once you're done peeling off all the sticker, if you have a lint roller or duct tape or something sticky, you can just clean it off. For the same for the Overwatch logo, just carefully peel off the sticker. Clean up the mess. This is the final look. It came out pretty good. Now I just have to clean it up a little bit and do some touch-ups a little bit, but so far it looks pretty good. And you could use any jacket. So all you need is a jacket. And all you need is scissors, a pen or a marker, a paintbrush or paint sponge, X-Acto knife, and puffy 3D paint or acrylic multi-surface paint. I'm using Princess Pink and black and white. And you can find them all at Walmart for $1. And of course freezer paper. It's great for freezing meat. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests for any heroes or for any D.Va mains, I'll be gladly to make more t-shirts. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.